ready to unlock recurring revenue and build a loyal community. Let's dive into creating a powerful membership site with Clickfunnels 2.0. First, navigate to the Site section in your Clickfunnels 2.0 dashboard. Then click on Membership to begin crafting your exclusive haven. Now, create your membership levels. Define the perks and content each level unlocks. For example, offer basic videos in the basic tier and exclusive coaching calls in the VIP tier. Clearly define your price point. Time to protect your content. Add your videos, documents, and other valuable resources to each lesson. Use the access settings to restrict content to specific membership levels, keeping your premium content exclusive. Integrate your payment gateway. Connect Stripe, PayPal, or your preferred provider to securely process membership payments. Configure recurring subscriptions to automate your revenue stream. Effectively manage your members. Easily track member progress, adjust access levels, and communicate with your community. A well-managed membership ensures happy, long-term subscribers. Foster a thriving online community. Create a dedicated forum or use Clickfunnels 2.0's built-in community features to encourage interaction, build relationships, and boost member retention. Finally, track your results. Use Clickfunnels 2.0's analytics to monitor membership growth, revenue, and engagement. Use this data to optimize your membership site and maximize your recurring income.